Hey guys, I want to show you how to remove your guide bar and chainsaw chain from your Husqvarna 120 Mark II. Before we get started, a couple things. First of all, we want to prevent an accidental start. We'll remove these 3 screws from the top, the filter cover, and take the cover off. Once the cover's off, we'll pull the cap off of the spark plug. Second, we'll go ahead and make sure the chain brake is disengaged by pulling back. Alright, and then we're going to start by removing the guide bar nuts from the post. Once those are off, we're going to remove the clutch cover. Before we can handle the chain, let's go ahead and put on a pair of protective gloves. Next, we want to remove the chain from the guide bar in the sprocket. Now we'll remove the guide bar, and you're set.